Shri Saket Gokhale.
Thank you very much, sir. So I very carefully listened to the Honorable Minister's statement. What baffles me is that the Minister seemed more focused on defending the US deportation policies than the interest of our own citizens. So one thing that stood out in the Honorable Minister's statement is that from the year 2016, the number of deportations of Indians have doubled. 2016, we know which government was in power. That government continues to still be in power. According to a survey by Pew Research Center, sir, 2011, there were 425,000 undocumented Indian migrants in the US. In 2021, that number's gone up by 70% to 725,000. Sir, the US is just one part of it. Prime Minister Modi personally requested the Russian President, Mr. Putin, but there are still Indians who are being forced to serve in the Russian army. They're dying on the borders of Ukraine. They've still not been repatriated to India despite PM Modi's request. I have some very pointed questions, so I'm going to keep it short. So as the first we talk and we hear in this house almost every minister, every member when they speak from the treasury benches, we are the world's 5th largest economy. We are soon going to be 3rd largest. We are a Vishwaguru.
Ask this.
Sir, as a Vishwaguru, I'm asking through you, sir, as a Vishwaguru, our citizens being shackled in chains, their legs being shackled together, being handcuffed, when countries like Colombia, which don't even figure in the top 10, can send an aircraft and bring their citizens back with dignity, what stops our government from sending one aircraft? We don't have a shortage of it.
Thank you.
What stops? No, sir, I have just one. You said 3 minutes, sir. That's all I'm requesting. So why have we not been able to ensure a dignified and humane repatriation of our citizens is number one. And number two, sir, the Honorable Minister made a very important point about undocumented migrants facing a lot of risk. The migrants have gone to the US, have gone through the Darien Gap, through the northern border. Many of them are frozen and died on the northern border as well. So the question is, what process does the ministry have? Because clearly there's economic distress. They're running away from the country for search of better opportunities. What processes do we have? Be it Cambodia, Indians are trapped, made to work in call centers, in the US. So how is the ministry, beyond protector of immigrants, which doesn't do much, how is the ministry ensuring that so many Indian citizens don't have to risk their lives to run away from a failing economy and go to other countries illegally, sir? Thank you.
Honorable members, before I call Sanjay Singh, I would urge you that comprehensively issues have been raised by Randeep Singh Surjewala, Tiruchi ji, and Saket also. Avoid repetition. Shri Sanjay Singh.
धन्यवाद मान्यवर। भारत दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र है सर, और प्रधानमंत्री जी बार बार अमेरिका से अपनी दोस्ती और रिश्तों को लेके बखान करते हैं। मैं बड़ी विनम्रता पूर्वक आपके माध्यम से पूछना चाहता हूं विदेश मंत्री जी से कि हाथ में हथकड़ी, पैरों में बेड़ी डालकर
रणदीप कह चुके
सर अमानवीय तरीके से उनको भारत लाया गया। मैं अगला सवाल तो पूछ सर, सवाल तो सुन,
एक सेकंड, आई वुड अर्ज द मेंबर्स,
सर सवाल तो सुन लीजिए,
ऑलरेडी मेड दैट पॉइंट,
आगे का तो सुन लीजिए।
ओके, गो अहेड।
लाया गया और लाने के बाद भारत की धरती पर जब उतर गए तो आप भी उनको सम्मान देने के लिए तैयार नहीं। हरियाणा के कैदी वैन में हमारे नागरिकों को ले जाया गया, कैदी वैन में सर, अपनी धरती पे।
पूछिए,
छोड़ दीजिए, क्या अमेरिका ने जो किया उसके साथ तो आप खड़े ही हैं, उसको तो आप बखान कर रहे हैं। हमारी धरती पे उनके साथ कैदी वैन में उनको लाया गया। छोटा सा, जो हमारे और भी लोगों ने पूछा, छोटे छोटे देश अपना जहाज भेज के अपने नागरिकों को अपने अपने देश में ला रहे हैं। क्या भारत के सरकार की आगे योजना है कि आप अपना जहाज भेजेंगे? आप ऑपरेशन गंगा का जिक्र करते हैं यूक्रेन में, आप कोई ऐसी योजना बना रहे हैं अपने नागरिकों को लाने के लिए? अंतिम सवाल सर, 33 इसमें गुजरात के लोग थे, हरियाणा के लोग थे, पंजाब के लोग थे, यूपी के लोग थे। आपसे मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आपकी धरती पर अमेरिका के सेना का जहाज आ गया और आपको पता तक नहीं चला। आपने जानने की कोशिश तक नहीं की। आपने जानने तक कोशिश नहीं की कि एक टॉयलेट में शर्म करो आप लोग, एक टॉयलेट में 104 लोग अमानवीय तरीके से लाए गए। एक टॉयलेट के इंतजाम में 104 लोग
देखिए,
अमेरिका से हिंदुस्तान लाए गए।
सुरजेवाला had in a very focused manner asked, please don't, 1 second. Professor Manoj Kumar Jha, I expect from you
I will not
that
repeat.
you will add extra.
I
Because
assure
Honorable
you,
Minister
sir.
has taken note of what has
I
already been said.
assure you, sir, I'll not repeat any of the points mentioned by any of my colleagues.
Please go ahead.
My first query, explanation from Honorable Minister, sir. It involves us all. The images were worrisome. And that's why you have made a suo moto statement. Because the images were worrisome, a couple of issues to seek from you. How much advance notice that the government of India received for this US deportation?
Yes.
And how many much more are in the pipeline? Number one. Number two, did the Indian embassy or the consulate provide any kind of legal or consulate service sought by them?
Yes.
Or if not at all, what was? What the government is doing about the agents and agencies which openly on their website claim that they'll make you reach your favored destination.
Yes.